Uh, Hello. So I will start explaining the approach to the assignment that was given to me. So first of all, this is the project structure of the assignment. I've used these classes for the API to fetch the data from the API. This is a data class. This is our utilities uh, that I've used in the project. There are only two activities: main activity and detail activity. Main activity is for to load the anime shows list, and detail activity is to the show the data that we are fetching from the API. Basically details of the anime show. So let's start with the dependencies that I've used in the project. So I've used Picasso for the image loading part, EXO player for video implementation. Unfortunately, I was not able to properly implement the video playing capability in the project, so it's still work in the progress to load the video. Okay, let's start with the API part. This is the API client. Yeah, so this is the API that was given to fetch the data from, like we retrofit and a JSON converter to convert the to properly fetch the data. Then this is the response. We are fetching into a list for easy purposes. This is the Gcon API service. This first is from first to load the anime shows, and this one is to load the data, different fields of data for a detail activity. This is the data file. This is the all the classes like we different that's the data that we are fetching: mail ID, title, synopsis, episodes, as asked in the PDF assignment. So this is the all the data part. Then I used network utilities to uh, to uh, to see if that data, if our connectivity is working okay or not. Actually now actually I have not fully implemented this part yet. Yeah, so for the user permissions, I've used internet service and network state, access network state. So these are only two permission that we are getting from the user. In the main activity, let's start with the UI part first. I've used recycler view in the main activity part to load all the list of the anime. This is the anime item XML. I've used linear layout, and this is for the image of the anime. This is the card view. So it looks basically like this. Let's see if I can. Yeah, this is a placeholder basically. This is like the data will be loaded into. This is the code for the main activity. Yeah, this is. So first of all, I use binding here. We are fetching the data from the Gcon API service here. Fetch stop anime. This is the function for that. I've also used log here to see if there are any error to load the data. This is basically we are getting the anime IDs of the shows. Yeah, this is basically we have used recycler view here. So it is the implementation of that part only. Now coming to the detail activity, start with the XML part first, UI part. So I've used card view here to load the anime show image. Then we are displaying the body of the title of the anime, then synopsis, episodes, rating, genre. This is the exo player video player. Unfortunately, I was not able to fully implement as I told earlier, so it's still not completed. This feature is still not completed as it was asked. And the code for the detect activity, this is the code for that implementation part. So this is the data we are fetching from API. This is the exo player initialization. Yeah, this is the anime ID of the anime show we have selected from the list of all the animes from our main activity. I've used coroutine here, life cycle scope. This is the log part. If the data failed to be fetched, then it will show as a toast. This is the Picasso library that I've used to load the poster of the anime. This is basically a little customization I've done to UI of the UI. Like of the anime title, it will show as red text, and for synopsis it will show as blue, green, red, and violet. Basically, this is only the UI customization. Yeah, so this is like that. Like this is just a bold, normal, like that, italic and stuff. Now for the AXO player video playing part. This is the URL fetching. As I told that I was not able to properly load the video and play it, so what I've done is that I have shown the URL of the video of the YouTube as a toast. This is what I was able to do. So as asked, I have hidden the EXO player when there are no trailer of the video. There are no trailer video. So this is the implementation part of that. Like if there is no video of the anime, then the visibility of the video view, that EXO player will be gone. It will not be visible to the user. Then instead of that, we are only getting the Picasso from the Picasso library. We are only getting the poster image only. If they are both of them present, like poster and the trailer video, then both will be shown. If like video is not there, then only poster of the anime will be shown. So basically this is the implementation part of that. Yeah, so this is basically what I had done so far in the project. Let me show you the GitHub file repo of the project. I've uploaded the code to my GitHub repo. This is the code. This is the readme file. Project overview, requirements, features like list of the anime, detail of the anime. Limitations are there. Also the like I told, like video link is also a limitation also. This is the structure of the file of the files. So yeah, basically this is what I done. Thanks.